If your Windows 10 PC is feeling a bit slow or cluttered, one of the quickest ways to free up some space and improve performance is by uninstalling apps you no longer need. Whether it's old software, unused apps, or programs you never use, cleaning up your PC is a great way to stay organized and speed things up. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily uninstall apps on your Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. So step 1 is uninstall via settings. So first you have to click on the start menu and then go to settings like the gear icon. Select apps to open the app features menu. Scroll down from the list to find the app you want to remove. You have to confirm your choice and follow any on-screen prompts to finish uninstallation. If you don't want to do like that, then you can use control panel for legacy programs. If the app you want to uninstall isn't listed in settings app, then you have to press Windows plus R, type control and press enter to open the control panel. Select programs, then go to programs and features. Find the program you want to uninstall. Click on it and choose uninstall. Also, you can install pre-installed apps like Windows 10 comes with some apps you might not use like OneNote. To remove them, you have to go to settings and then apps. Look for the apps in apps and features list that you don't need. You can uninstall, and that's it. And that's how you can uninstall apps on your Windows 10 PC. Whether you are removing old programs or just cleaning up, it's an easy way to reclaim space and speed up your computer. If this helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you got any question or need help with something, you can drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.